Hey YouTube, Scott Offroad. How you doing today? We're in the garage working on Matt's Jeep. We're doing a JK track bar brace and sector shaft brace from Synergy. Like, subscribe, follow. Hope you enjoy. Yeah, all right. What we got for parts from Synergy? Here are the two brackets, all the hardware. We're looking at needing an 1.25 inch socket, 16mm socket and wrench, 18mm socket and wrench, 21 and 22 millimeter socket wrenches, and a 1/4 inch hex socket. Our torques are going to be bracket bolts 50 pounds, steering box bolt 70 pounds, pitman arm is going to be 150 pounds, track bar 125, sector shaft 50, and hex bolt 50. Everything's laid out here that we're going to need. The only thing we're not including in this is the jack stands, and your lug wrench, which is pretty common sense. We're also using a blue Loctite for the project.
I just extra torquing that. Well, that one wasn't very tight at all.
Well, when you start off loosening it instead of tightening it.
Yeah. Well, it worked. It just.
Right?
Yeah, there you go. That worked. Alright. Steering box is now just hanging.
What do you think, Rudy?
I'm hoping I can.
We need to take the pitman arm off, pull off first.
Pitman arm. No, not yet.
Okay.
Snug fit. You have a rubber mallet? You tap this up in place. I mean, my sway bar is in the way a little bit, but I'm going to persuade it to go past it. It just hooks right there.
Lay down. Go lay down. Here's a rug.
Whew, very much clearance there. Check out that clearance right there.
Ooh. Oh, you got 1/8 inch.
Once I get everything tightened down, it might cinch a little bit more. Otherwise, I'm taking a grinder to it. I'll just take a grinder to that if I have to.
Yeah.
That won't be a big deal. Okay. Now I got the lower bolt here and this bolt here. I can put in there. Headlight on this side. There. And I'm just gonna do it like they did. I'm just gonna run it through this way. And I'm also gonna need my track bar, the grade 8 track bar bolt. I want to stick in there right now and just make sure it keeps everything aligned.
Yep.
It's a pretty small area up here to get into. It's really, really, really tight. Oh, I can see better now. When I just land underneath the Jeep and do this.
Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, so what you're saying is you don't need me.
You go ahead and put the other ones in. I might have to shift it around a little bit.
Oh, I'm needed.
Yeah, make you feel useful. How's that look? Are you getting it? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you're helping, I know.
Well, it's awesome because he was sitting there behind you, just intently watching.
All right, I'm gonna hit him just a little bit with this. Torquing that one's gonna be interesting. But it looks like you got the right amount of push on it, so. Oh yeah.
Oh, does that hit you with anything?
No. It ain't a project if one of us ain't bleeding.
No, that's true.
All right. Now
Lock tight.
I'll snug these up. Oh yeah.
See, I'm helping. Helping.
So I'll need a wrench on the inside, and then
And we decided
socket.
that was the 11/16.
No, this is the 18.
This is the 18.
18 mil, and then the inside is a 16 mil wrench.
16 mil. Right?
Oh, that's right. That is the 11/16.
11/16. So there's 11/16 wrench.
Oh, I hope that ain't too big.
What's that?
I just hope it ain't too big to fit in there, you know.
Well, you know, the last project I worked on, I just cut my wrenches in half and re-welded them. So
I might be buying you some new wrenches. Maybe a light right down here at the bottom, pointing up. Maybe that'll do it. Not really.
well, you know, if you installed those rock lights you bought, we could just turn those on and have light shining down on the project.
I know. I keep wanting to do that.
I know. They just work so much better in the toolbox, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
All right. No, shit. That's I got a pack that's sitting in my toolbox. Just, you know, hey. And that's the 16 on the outside, correct?
Yes. I just need a ratchet and extension.
Long or short?
Long. So 1 5/16 looks like it's gonna work for the factory. Okay, short. The long is actually pretty long.
That's what she said.
Hey,
Not as tight as we thought it would be.
it wasn't hardly tight at all. Unless the whole thing's just spinning in the box, but I doubt it.
It would have stopped eventually. Oh, you're thinking the entire shaft is spinning.
No, it's coming loose.
Oh.
Problem is that wasn't very tight.
Yeah.
I know these have a lot of oomph behind them, but
Not that much oomph.
that was not tight at all. Oh, wow. Lined right up in there.
That's when it stopped working that.
Well, I think in their notes they actually say, you know, we realize it's hard getting into some areas.
Do the best you can.
Yep.
Jeep torque.
Yep. Oh, man. It's going to be tough getting this nut started, though.
Our supervisor left us.
Well, she realized how good we were doing, I guess.
Yeah, her dog since told her she wanted no part of the responsibility on this one.
Yeah.
I wasn't there. I got plausible deniability. I told him not to. I said, this is the most stupid thing I've seen. All right, that was the front track bar brace, sector shaft brace installation on the JK. The one issue we are seeing though is clearance between the sway bar and the bracket. Right in here, there's just not a lot of clearance. So maybe a little grinding on this, a little grinding on the sway bar. Other than that, that's it.